In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add drop caps in WordPress posts. Drop caps are a great way to start a paragraph. They help you to capture your reader's attention and get them interested in reading your content. To add drop cap to your post, first navigate to that post. I'm going to edit this post. Then select the paragraph you want to add drop cap in. Then on the right side in the block settings, look for the text settings. And then just enable the drop cap setting from here. And as you can see in the preview, the drop cap was added. Now click on Update to update the changes. And let's view this post now. And you can see that the drop cap was added in this post. This is how you can add drop caps in WordPress posts. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.